If you don't know how to remove a background of a logo, simply open Pixel Lab. If you don't have Pixel Lab, please download it from Play Store. And at first delete this new text option like me, and then select your photos from your gallery from here, and then from gallery select your photo from your gallery. We have selected our picture. This is our picture, and we want to remove the white background from here. So simply click on the picture and go to middle options here, and you will find an option named Erase Color. Click on it and enable it. Background will be removed. Adjust the tolerance as you want and click on Sign. The background is removed, but this is not now PNG. The logo is PNG, but here is also a background. If you save this picture, the picture will be saved with this background, so we have to remove this background from here. So click on this option and make it transparent. Clicking on here, the background will be transparent. And now save this picture. Clicking on here, save as image, and you can adjust the quality. I am making it ultra and save to gallery. The picture will be saved to your gallery. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share this video to your friends and subscribe our channel.